on, cousins, you're gonna go along with us today as you see a day in the life as a full-time RV'er. Come on, you're gonna enjoy it, I think, cousins. Watch this video. Now I had to tell y'all about the good prices on this meat. Look at this big pack of pork chops, y'all. $4.88. You can't beat it. Now keep going me. I'm gonna show you how to really shop and get your money worth. Look at these big packs of steak. $12.48. 2 big ribeye steaks. Y'all see it? This, I'm telling you, I gets the deals. Look at this big pack of family pack of hamburger meat. $4.70. Family pack of neck bones. $2.71. So y'all know I had to get more than 1 pack. This pack right here, it was $2.83. Still $5 for, look at them big packs of meat. I'm telling y'all, cause look at all this meat that I got. You can't beat it for the price that I paid. Now stick with me, cause I'm gonna show you how to shop in your RV and just spend less money as possible but get your bang for your buck. Okay, cousins, y'all look at this right here. This have saved me so much space. It just, I love it. I just put all kind of stuff and you just twist it around and it got a button at the bottom and you dispense however much you want to do. It save up so much space from them bags and them boxes from stuff. I just love it. And you just, it's right here on the counter. It's so accessible. Get you one, cousins. It's on Amazon, I think for like $9. Okay, cousin, y'all, I had to show y'all this receipt because I knew y'all would not believe the price that we paid for this stuff. Cousin, $90 for all these groceries. Can't beat it. Now it's time to do laundry. And we are using the laundry facility that is at the RV park, cousins. Okay, cousin, grocery shopping done, laundry done, clothes folded up. Now I'm back in my office working on this order for this lady. She did get sun visors to keep the sun out of her window. Now, cousin, just because we are in the RV, that don't mean we can't do our craft. We still can do what we do. We cannot make no excuses. We just got to make room, push through it, and, you know, get it done, cousins. But now, y'all, it's time to get this steak cooked up. Alright, cousins, I need y'all to let me know if y'all like these videos, if y'all like me cooking, if y'all like the hauls. Let me know what you do like, and let me know what meals y'all cooking y'all RV. Do you cook big meals? Do you use the crock pot? Do you use the air fryer? Let me know. Drop in the comments. And thank y'all for watching again. And y'all, this is garlic on top. He had roasted some garlic and just pushed it in if y'all wondering what's on top of the steak. Bye, cousins. See y'all on the next video.